Welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In previous video, I explained about Podman and Podman setups. So today's video, we will show you how to pull the Docker images using Podman commands. So let's go to our CMD and check the Podman versions first. So I'm pressing Window R button. In here, you need to type CMD and then enter it. After that, in here, you will also check the Podman version by using podman version commands. This command will show you the Podman version which is installed in your system. And second command, you can also check the created Podman machine. Podman machine I have already created in previous video. If you don't see my previous video, you can watch my previous video so that you can set up the Podman in your local Windows system. So let's check the machine which, which is created previous video. So there is a command podman machine ls command is used for show all the created Podman machines. So after entering it, you will see one machine is created. This machine was created in the previous video. You can watch my previous video. Now, if you see last up, it is just destroyed 3 minutes ago. And if you run these machines, then you need to run this command. Right now I am going to show you if machine is not running, then you will get the error. So I am just checking the images which is available in your local Podman machine. So right now I am just checking it because machine is not running, Podman machine is not running. So that's why it will give error. So if you say can't connect to the Podman because machine is not running. So you need to run this command. If you want to create a Podman machine, then you need to run this command podman machine init. If you have already created the machine, then for running the podman machine, you need to run podman machine start command. You can see in my screen. So podman machine I have already created. Then we need to run podman machine start command for running the podman machine. So I'm going to run podman machine start command. Now it will take few minutes for running this machine. Now let's wait. Yeah, now it is started. If you want to see the podman running machine information, so you need to just write podman machine ls in here. Now you can see last up. In the last up, you you can see currently running status is showing. Previous, if you see, it is showing last up 3 minutes ago. Now our Podman machine is running, so we can check the images which is available in my Podman local machines. So I'm just typing Podman images. This command is used for see all the images which is available in your local Docker machines systems. Right now there is no images available, so I'm going to Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser, we are going to Docker Hub registry, Docker Hub. In here, we will search the Nginx, Nginx. Now, Nginx, I am just clicking first on. And is there any command is appear or not? Just check tag as well. So you can see this is the command docker pull nginx stable alpine command. So I am just going to pull these images. So I'm not going to use docker. Instead of docker I'm going to use podman, and all the commands will use the same. So I'm just copying this command, going to notepad. In the notepad I am going to change docker to podman. So I'm just copying this command and pasting in the cmd. Now all the it will pull that images from the docker hub registry and store in our local podman machine systems. Yeah, now if you see the images which is available in my local system, so you just type the command podman images. You can see this is the images which is available now in my local systems. So in this video I have explained how to pull the images from the docker hub registry using podman. If you are facing any issue to pulling the images from the docker hub registry using podman, then let me know. You can also drop your comments in my video comments section. Thank you for watching my video and like my video for the further update. Thank you.